José, Inclán, Pérez with student ID A01781976 from Analysis of Electrical Circuits in group 307. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve this circuit using mesh analysis. So first off, I already defined a few values like I1, I2, I3, and I4. I pointed them in that direction for my convenience. We don't know if it's a real value, but I'm going to assume it is. And I also found super mesh between these two meshes thanks to the current source that we find here. So first off, I'm going to find voltages, one of the questions we have to answer. So first off, Vx following Ohm's law equals 45 times the current entering and exiting. So I1 enters down the positive terminal minus I2 down the negative terminal. Now I'm going to find four equations to solve circuits using these two meshes, this current source and super mesh. So first off, we have minus 5 volts plus 30 times I1 to find voltage, plus the same voltage as this one, so 45 times I1 minus I2 equals 0 according to Kirchhoff's voltage law. Then we have this one, so 6 volts entering down the positive terminal, plus 54 ohms times I4 down the positive terminal, minus I2 down the negative terminal, equals 0. Then we have this current source, so we have the 1/4 of an amp, will equal the current going outside in the positive direction, so I3, minus I2 because it's going in the opposite direction. Finally, we're going to find super mesh. So 97 ohms times I3, which is the only current using it. Then this resistance same as this one, but it's going the opposite way, so I'm going to exchange signs. So plus 45 times I2 down the positive terminal minus I1 plus the same thing here as we did before, so plus 54 times I2 minus I4, and this all equals 0. So now I'm going to put all these equations in my calculator to get all the values of the current. So it's here, so let's do it. Okay, so now we get that I1, I'm going to put it in fractions so it's easier, so negative 521 over 69,000 amps, I2 is equal to negative 109 over 460 amps. Let me draw it better or else I'll get confused. I3 should equal 3 over 230 amps, and I4 finally minus 1441 over 4140 amps. So first off, I'm going to calculate Vx. So we have the Vx equals 45 times I1, so negative 521 over 69,000 minus I2, and it's negative, so plus 109 over 460. And we get the Vx is equal to, let me calculate it. We get 7.265 volts. So first question answered. Then we have to find the power for this current source. So we don't have the voltage, but how this resistance in parallel, it should be the same voltage. So we're going to calculate this voltage. So the voltage for 97 ohms is equal to 97 times I3, so 3 over 230. So V is equal to 1.265 amps. And finally, to get the power, we get P times is equal to VI, so this is volt times 2. 1.265 times 1 over 4, and we get that P is equal to 1.265 over 4, and that is 0.316 watts. So this is how we get the power and voltage using mesh analysis.